Hey, what's up guys? Just did a quick little mod today. Decided to plasti dip the rear valance just to see how it looks. If I don't like it, I'm just going to pull it off. It's easy, it's temporary. So I'm going to pull off this tape. I'll show you how it came. I'd like you guys to comment. Let me know what you think. I have a feeling it's going to look pretty nice. But, you know, once it's done, we'll see what happens. This is the finished product. I actually think it came out pretty nice. Pretty much looks like a factory trim. I think I'm going to keep it for a while. See how it holds up. Usually it holds up pretty well. I've done it in the past, and as long as you put it on thick enough and you don't take a power washer directly to it, it does hold up pretty well. And I laid it on nice and thick, so got a nice satin sheen, as you can see. Gives the back a little bit more of an aggressive look. Today's Friday, I'm off, I have nothing better to do, so I figured let me do something with my time. My kids were sleeping, so I figured let's do it. And it looks good. I'm happy. Tell me what you guys think. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll continue to do more things to the car and keep going. See you next time.